Welcome to our workshop. Today we are going to do VR, but first of all, real quick few words about us. So Alex, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Alex Castillo. I'm a Google developer expert.
Myself, Uri, I love to do projects involving new technologies, so VR, electronics, robotics, whatever you want. And the other inspiration, if you watch the movie or you grew in the 90s, 80s, you probably know Invaders, Space Invaders. We are going to create a little Space Invaders, but the plot is going to be a little bit different. To follow this really quick introduction to WebGL, in order to create 3D worlds for VR, we need to use some technology, and WebGL is how we create 3D for the web. This is how I felt. I didn't want to do any 3D on the web anymore. Luckily, things have got a little better thanks to Mozilla, which created a new library called A-Frame. It's based on web components, and it makes VR a little bit easier. So now we got some kind of hello world to A-Frame.
So you're telling me that with just a few HTML elements, we're able to get a 3D scene with sky, with a ball, with shadow, and you can actually see it in 3D and in a virtual reality setting. So you want to?
I see one ball.
Oh,
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's starting to reload for everybody.
Whoa.
So, yeah. Wow, wow, wow. This is crazy. I love that. I love that. Thank you. Heavy. It's white and it's starry and it's animated.
Yeah.
It's dancing. So many balls.
You're taking a GIF or GIF or however you say it, and you are applying it in a 3D environment as a shader material in A-Frame here. So this reads my muscle data, and it's able to detect whenever I'm doing like the double tap or a fist, or waving in, or spreading my fingers. So if I do a fist.
First of all, let me find the center where, okay, so this is this fireball element that you put, this box that you put in the center, right?
Yeah.
And there is somebody floating, he's like jumping and walking at the same time. I'm gonna jump too.
Can you guys see the color change? And that's coming directly from my muscles, which is pretty cool.
Wow, right.
From these muscles right here.
You just sent a blast.
Yeah.
Invaders are animated, right?
Yes, they are.
So let's add some animation to our invaders. I am creating a new observable. It's one, I think. Yes, I'm creating a new observable that emits true and false every half a second. And then I'm going to use this observable to switch between two models of invaders, hitting the space whenever there is a blast. Ready? Alex, let me know when you are ready.
I'm ready, man.
Ready, player one?
Ready, player one.
Ready, set, blast us! Wow, you are jumping in sync, sort of.
So it's a nice wing there.
Am I? Okay, I'm not the only crazy one, Jai. That's good. Hey, there is a friend over there. Yeah, everybody is jumping. I think it's amazing.